How a Systems Integrator Converted into AI Integration Specialist. Background: David was a systems integrator responsible for ensuring that various software systems worked together seamlessly. He enjoyed the challenge of integrating disparate systems but felt that the future of integration lay in leveraging AI technologies to create smarter, more efficient systems. The transition: to pivot into AI, David began exploring courses focused on machine learning and AI integration methodologies. He was particularly interested in understanding how AI could facilitate better communication between systems and improve overall efficiency. However, he quickly found that the technical depth required was beyond what he could grasp through self-study alone. Personal coaching. Recognizing the need for structured support, David engaged a personal coach with expertise in AI and systems integration. His coach helped him identify key areas of focus, such as AI-driven middleware and automation tools. Together, they worked on projects that simulated real-world integration challenges, allowing David to apply theoretical concepts in practical situations. Challenges. David faced challenges in understanding the nuances of AI algorithms and how they could be applied in integration scenarios. At times, he felt overwhelmed by the rapid pace of technological advancements. However, his coach encouraged him to approach these challenges methodically, helping him develop a systematic way to tackle complex problems. Outcome: after several months of focused learning and hands-on projects, David successfully transitioned to the role of AI integration specialist, receiving multiple job offers from organizations eager to leverage his unique skill set. His coach assisted him in refining his resume and preparing for interviews, emphasizing his ability to integrate AI technologies into existing systems. David ultimately accepted a position at a prominent tech firm known for its innovative integration solutions. Impact: in his new role, David designs and implements AI-driven integration solutions that optimize communication between various software systems. His contributions have led to significant improvements in operational efficiency, allowing the company to streamline processes and reduce costs. David is passionate about his work and often shares insights from his journey, emphasizing the importance of personal coaching in navigating career transitions.